Welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we're going to be checking out and test driving a really great looking 1970 Chevy C10 StepSide. Beautiful truck, a beautiful color. It's kind of that copper. It's really beautiful, especially out here in the sun. Looks great.
It is. It's got a ton of metallic in it. I didn't know what to call it, brown, gold. It's really good looking.
Yeah.
Something you don't see every day.
No. It's pretty color. Under the hood, small block Chevy, power steering, power brakes. And I do believe it's made it up to a 700R4 4-speed automatic transmission. So nice upgrade there too.
It does have a factory tack and all those gauges in there too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Power steering, power brakes. We got disc on the front of it.
Yep, and the disc, when the guys had the wheels off, the front discs look brand new.
Nice.
Looks like a recent upgrade.
It's got MSD ignition, MSD plugs, wires on it and everything. So just a nice turnkey cruising truck.
Good looking engine compartment. This truck, make sure you check out the undercarriage on our site, coyoteclassics.com. It's a really solid, original, clean Southern truck underneath.
Hey, we got to get this. That 53 is about the damn same color.
Yeah, it is.
Little gold metallic, isn't it?
Couple Chevys, couple different decades. Good looking pickup with the paint. You know, it's been drove, so you're gonna have a few little chips and stuff like that. Nothing major, but just some of those common wear.
I really like the rally wheels on it.
I do too. Front bumper looks great. Grill's in good shape. And those rally wheels look fantastic, almost look brand new. Tires are in good shape.
The back of the hood lines up really good all the way across to the fender, and then the door lines up nice too.
Yeah, it does. They did a nice job when they painted it laying that metallic. It's a beautiful truck. There's your cab corner there. That looks good.
Yeah, it looks like the door sticks out just a little bit here, and it's got one little bubble right here, Let's go ahead and open that door. They redid the door handles as well. They're new. Corner of the door looks great here. It looks all original, nice and thin. Door jamb paint looks good. Looks like when they did it, I like that they did the Pro Car seats. They're very comfortable, and it's got the factory style console. I think it's got tilt wheel as well, and a wood grain wheel.
Yeah, tilt wheel. Upgraded radio with some kick panel speakers.
Carpet's nice. Just a clean truck, something you can jump in and drive every day if you want to.
Yeah, and when we drive it, it really does go down the road awesome.
Good. And I like the StepSide. You know, we don't get too many StepSides in, and when they did that StepSide, they did a beautiful job on the wood in the back. Let's just go to that really quickly. They did a nice job staining the wood. They went ahead and did all new chrome, it looks like, on as far as the rail dividers there.
What we got going on there?
Watch out, Jack.
Guy was coming in a little hot. That was loud.
Kind of seems like he's out of control.
Yeah, it does. We better watch out. But bed was done very nicely.
Cab corners are great too. So was the steps.
They did a good job pairing that color stain of the wood with the color. It looks real nice. Back bumper was replaced. That looks great. Tailgate looks good. New.
Looks like they did new marker lights and surrounds and stuff. There's no overspray on any of that, so it's just a nice clean truck.
And I can see on this side too, but yeah, might as well drop her down.
Well, it's kind of nice you can see on the inside of that. What's it got here, do you? Oh, it's just...
I think you got a latch here or something, or maybe this.
Oh yeah, right there. It's got a nice latch system too, doesn't it? There you go. Hey, that's really nice. I just wanted to show the inside of this. They did a beautiful job. Even it looks good with the tailgate down at a show.
Yeah, box sides are nice. Beautiful pickup. There's a light scuffs right here around this taillight, and that's something that looks to me like it probably could be buffed out. Yeah, that would be buffed out. I can scratch that off with my nail. It's just a little scuff there. But now we don't have to talk about it because I pretty much wiped it all off. Little paint chip there.
Looks like the bumpers are brand new. There's a couple scuffs here. Yeah, a little scuff, a little scratch there. You got a couple along the door edge guard here. Like you said, it's been driven, and a couple in the door itself. Little touch-ups.
Door and fender look nice and straight. Cab corner's good here.
We don't really get too many pickups in, you know?
No, we don't. We don't get a whole lot of pickups. I do like the color on this. It's
a lot of the pickups are just abused and kind of tacky. You know what I mean? This is a nice, clean one. It's not over the top perfect, but it's not tacky. You know, it's just a nicely restored truck that's just got a few little chips on it from driven.
It's one of those trucks that's neat because it's something that, you know, a lot of times you see these C10s and they are very over the top, very expensive, and it's to the point where you don't want to drive it. This is done really nice where you can be proud of it, but yet still drive it, and it drives real nice. So it's kind of
looks like they went and did all new pedal pads, all new chrome, all new armrest, you know, carpet, seats, everything is done really nicely.
Let's drive it.
Go ahead and start by the headliner. Headliner's awesome, and look, they did all new chrome around that headliner. See it? It's beautiful. Dome light works. That looks new as well. Seats are comfortable. We have a lot of room in here. Go ahead and just see what works and stuff as far as the fan works at all. What do we got here, D? Do you know what?
That's a cigarette
lighter. What about the fan? No go on the fan?
I don't know. I thought the fan worked.
Fan works.
Yeah, fan does work.
I didn't have a key on, right? Yeah. Fan works. Wipers work good. New blades as well.
The radio works. Find a station for you.
Maybe.
Sounds nice too. Nice sound system.
Sounds damn good, huh? Horn works.
The only thing I think that does not work is the tack and dash.
Well, dang it.
Which that's all right. All right. Glove box is nice. You can see the original paint here.
There's a sticker.
I think original paint's still on the dash here too.
I think it is. See that? That's awesome. Got
Warranty.
black vinyl trim. It was a factory tack. Look at it.
Oh,
that's your factory
neat.
deal. Factory tack and tire size and everything on there.
That's pretty cool.
Pretty damn original truck. Original owner's manual with your protecto plate, warranty information.
And underneath is
You know why that tack don't work, don't you? Got the HEI ignition with the MSD.
That's right. Yeah, that's right.
Oil pressure's great. Gas gauge works. Wipers work. Horn works. Battery gauge works. We'll find out on the temp gauge here in just a little bit. But when I walked up to this paint again, I'll tell you what, I love this color.
Yeah, it's real sharp, especially with all the metallic and then out in the sun.
That overdrive's nice because then you can just jump in and enjoy it.
Yeah, it's just they made it to be really a daily driver if you want to. Which I think is what a lot of people are looking for in these trucks, you know? They don't necessarily take them to shows, you know, if you do, you can definitely take this to a show, but it's just fun to have a cool pickup that you can drive and enjoy.
Something that somebody looks at and says, wow, that's nice. You know, a lot of these trucks are still 20-some thousand bucks and they're just wavy.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They're just, they're done very amateur restorations and they're still 30 grand.
Yes.
Brakes work good, no pull left or right. That sounds great. And the nice thing is you got these little vent windows. Yeah, they work great going down the road for air coming in.
Yep. Kick down works. Even chirps when going in a second.
It kind of, the ass end went a little bit like that.
Yeah, it squealed the tires. I heard the tires
squealed the tires. Windows go up awesome. Transmission shifts great. I mean, they're 60 mile an hour down the road.
Kick down, shift back up.
I really like it. You're right. I mean, it's 65, 70 mile an hour down the road. It drives beautiful.
Yeah, it drives nice.
Suspension feels good too. It's not bouncy like a lot of the trucks.
Yeah, just smooth. Counsel's nice to have.
Steering is awesome. We're going to do a little different today. We're going to go ahead and go to Casey's instead.
Get some lunch.
We're a little hungry and get some lunch. But here's your brakes. Brake stop nice. Turning signal indicator works.
Steer's nice. Jeez, coming in hot.
I was just trying to squeal tires a little bit again. It's kind of fun.
But it's a sweet truck. Check it out on the site, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.